Hello friends, welcome to the world of latex, where fashion meets boldness and confidence. Leather fashion has been making waves, combining the glossy finish of latex with the luxurious feel of leather for an unforgettable look. In this video, we'll explore various styles and how they can suit different occasions and personalities. From sleek body huggings to eye-catching, brightly colored pieces that show off a playful side, there is something for everyone. We'll take a closer look at the details that make these dresses unique, the shine that catches the light, the smooth texture, and the way they move with the body. So please support me by sharing my video. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. You can see leather jackets, shiny pants. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages by commenting in the comment section. Our goal is simply to help you. Our channel is all about fashion designs, dresses, and ideas. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages. Stunning looks, shiny dresses. So please support me by sharing my video. So please take good care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching my video.